Hello everyone, welcome to our channel V1 Education. We are successfully completed 4 exercises in construction of quadrilaterals, right? So first one 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and as well as 3.4. If you missed these 4 classes, I given link in the description, you can check that one. Okay, today we are going to discuss about exercise 3.5, that is about when 3 sides and 2 angles given. Nothing but side, angle, side. As per the rule, we had to construct this one. So 3 sides and 2 included angles. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 we completed. Right? Till here we discussed it. And in previous class we discussed about some standard and when a normal angle is given, we are using the protractor, right? So today exercise 3.5, construction when the lengths of 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, nothing but side, angle, side, angle, side. Now in this exercise we are having three problems and with one example also. So we'll discuss in detail what about those 4 problems. First question. We'll start with the first question. Quadrilateral PQRS with a PQ 3.6 centimeters, QR 4.5 centimeters, RS 5.56 centimeters, angle PQR is equals to 135 degrees and angle QRS is equals to 60 degrees. See here, given 3 sides and 2 are included angles. First one, remote A. First we will draw a rough sketch for this given measurements. So PQRS given as a PQ as a base given 3.6 centimeters and given angle Q how much given 135 degrees 135 degrees and Q2R the measure is given as a 4.5 centimeters and angle R is given as 60 degrees. Angle R given as 60 degrees and R2S is given as how much here? 5.6 centimeters. I am simply joining P to S. So this is about a simple rough sketch for this given data. Now we'll construct this one. So first taking a base as how much? 3.6 centimeters. PQ, so line segment, how much is there? 3.6 centimeters. P to Q. PQ is 3.6 centimeters. Now we have to construct how much is there here? 135 degrees. So with the help of compass we'll construct this one. So before constructing 135, once we'll discuss again 0 degrees, 30, 60, 90, 120 and here 180 between 135 will rise. Nothing but between 120 and 180, 135 will rise. Right? So first we will construct 120 and 180. Okay, then we'll construct 135. So measuring some radius, taking a Q as a center, drawing a arc. Okay, now without changing radius, taking this intersecting point as radius, cutting here. This is 60. If you double 60, you will get a 120 and if you triple 60 you will get a 180, nothing but which is a straight angle. This is 180. Now between 180 and 120 and 180 we had to we'll look at how much? 150, right? We had to locate 150 first. Now measuring again same radius. Now 180 as center, drawing a arc. Now with 120 as center, cutting the previous arc. Yes, we got right. This one how much? This is 150. This is 150. Now between 150 and 120, between 120 and 150, what will lies? 135. Now taking radius as 150, measuring this one, we will construct a bisector here. So with the 150 drawing a arc, with the 120, I am cutting that arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point. This is a required 135 degrees. From point Q to X. Drawing a QX is a ray and angle PQX. Nothing but how much is there here? 135 degrees. Okay, I am saying with a ray here. But he given Q or measure given as how much here? 3.5 centimeters. Q to R. Q to R how much is there? 4.5 centimeters. Measuring a 4.5 centimeters radius, taking a Q as a center, I am cutting this ray. We got the intersecting points. This is what R, and this measure is what is there? 4.5 centimeters. Completed. So we completed base PQ and angle 135 degrees. And the Q to R 4.5 centimeters. Now we have to construct an angle how much? Angle R. Angle R how much is there here? 60 degrees. With respect to R, now we have to construct 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is a very easy one. So take any radius. I am considering center as R, drawing a arc. Okay. Now without changing radius, considering this intersecting point, I am cutting the previous arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point. This measure is what? 60 degrees. So drawing a ray with respect to R. No, RY is a ray. Here angle QRY. Think about this measure is 60 degrees. We got. Right? Now what we have to do? Now we have to construct what? R2S. R2S is the length segment how much given? 5.6 centimeters. 5.6 centimeters. Measuring 5.6 centimeters radius. With the help of compass and ruler. Considering R as center, I am cutting the ray from R to S. We got the intersecting point as S, and RSM measure is what is it? 5.6 centimeters. Yes, sir. We have completed all the measurements. So to complete this quadrilateral, simply join from P to S. Yes. So no need to measure this one. So with this, our required quadrilateral PQRS is completed. Okay. So measuring. So just a little bit you have to try for this 135 degrees. So first draw 60, 120, and 180. Between 120 and 180, then construct a bisector, you will get 150 degrees. Now again construct bisector between 120 and 150, then you will get here 135 degrees. Again we go construct here 60 degrees, and with the given length RS, we cut the ray, we got 5.6 centimeters, and joining P to S, we got the required quadrilateral PQRS. So this is about the first question. Okay, now same as this other question is there, the example question is there. Second one is about construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 5 centimeters, BC 4.5 centimeters, CD 6 centimeters, and angle B is 100 degrees, and angle C equals to 75 degrees. Right? First, so this is example sum. So that's why I took here a star mark here. So first we'll draw a rough sketch for this given data. So ABCD, the measure AB given as how much? A to B is given as 5 centimeters. And given angle B as how much? 100 degrees. And BC length given as how much here? 4.5 centimeters. And given angle C is given as how much here? 75 degrees. And given C to D, radius given as C to D, how much? 6 centimeters. And at last join simply D to A, you will get the required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so this is a rough sketch. Now based on this one, we'll construct a quadrilateral ABCD here. Okay, first taking base as 5 centimeters. Base AB is equals to how much? 5 centimeters. Now once again we'll recall, so we took some special angles right in previous class in exercise 3.4. We saw some standard angles. So we can draw this one easily with a compass, right? So protractor we are using a 65, 85, 95, like 100. Okay, because we'll feel some difficulty, that's why we are using a protractor. So but standard angles must and should you have to draw with a compass only. So but for these for special these angles we are going to use the protractor. Again here given as 100 degrees means again I am considering the protractor to construct a 100 degrees here. So taking B as a center, we have to measure how much? 100 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 degrees. Marking dots. Now just I am extending this ray. From B I am drawing a ray. So take BX is a ray and the measure is how much is there here? 100 degrees. Completed. Now next what is there? The length we have to do BC. BC length how much is there here? 4.5 centimeters. Now measure 4.5 centimeters radius with the help of compass and ruler. 4.5 centimeters. Taking B as a center, I am cutting this ray. BX is a ray, right? I am cutting this arc. We got the intersecting point. Nothing but this is C. And I measure what here? 4.5 centimeters. Completed. Now we have to construct how much given angle. Angle C is equals to 75 degrees. Angle C we have to construct 75 degrees. And again we know 60, 120. Middle what will be? 90 degrees. Right? Between 90 and 60 we'll get here 75 degrees. Okay, that one basic idea you have to get compulsory. So measuring some radius, taking B as a center, considering B as a center, drawing a arc. Now measuring this one as a center, this intersecting point as a center, cutting the previous arcs. This is 60. If you double 60, you will get a 120 degrees. 60 and 60, 120. Between 60 and 120, what is the required angle will be? 90 degrees. So taking 60 degrees as a radius, drawing a arc, and with 120 degrees I am cutting this previous arc. We got the intersecting point. Now this measure is how much? 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. But what we required here, required angle how much here? 75 degrees. So between 60 and 90, the required angle how much will be? 75 degrees will get. Now taking 60 degrees as center, I am drawing a arc. Now with the help of 90 degrees taking center, I am cutting that arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point. Now I am extending this one, nothing but I am drawing a ray with the center C. So this is how much now? This is 75 degrees. This is 75 degrees. Now taking this one, cy is a ray. Is it clear? Okay. Next one, what you had to do? We had to measure the distance what? The distance what? C to P. CP, what is the measure is there? 6 centimeters. Measuring 6 centimeters radius. Measuring 6 centimeters radius. The help of center C, I am cutting the ray CY. We got the intersecting point. This is C and this is what? Last one is D. So this length is what? 6 centimeters. Now just simply joining last from A to D. Joining A to D. If we join this one, our required quadrilateral ABCD is completed. No need to measure the length of AD here. Just we had to complete the construction. We are joining A to D here. Okay. So this is about the construction of quadrilateral ABCD. Once again we will see. So first we draw a rough sketch here. Right. Now first we are considering AB as a radius measuring 5 centimeters. Then we took angle B as a 100 degrees. Right. So with the help of a protractor we constructed here 100 degrees. Then BC length measuring and we cutting this ray, we got how much? 4.5 centimeters. With this side construction is completed. Now we have to measure angle C as 75 degrees. Taking center as C, drawing a arc 60 and 120. Between 60 and 120 we will get here 90 degrees. So to construct 75 degrees, again construct a bisector between 60 and 90. We got the bisector here, nothing but we got the measure is 75 degrees. And CD as a length 6 centimeters, taking C as center, measuring 6 centimeters radius. I am cutting this CY ray. We got an intersecting point and naming as D. And we are joining C to D, nothing but 6 centimeters. To complete the construction, we are joining A to D. With this, our required quadrilateral ABCD is completed. Next, question number B. Construct a quadrilateral lamp LAMP. We are given AM is equals to MP is equals to PL is equals to 5 centimeters and angle M is equals to 90 and angle P is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, nothing but these three sides are equal. Okay, so first we will construct a rough sketch for this given data. Question number B. Lamp. So first thing lamp, right? Measuring LA length, but LA given not given, but AM length is given. A to M, how much is there here? 5 centimeters. And LA, this is what? M. This is P. And the angle M, what is the measure of this angle is 90 degrees. And M to P, the length is given as 5 centimeters. And P to L given as how much? 5 centimeters. And angle given as 60 degrees. So we have to construct like this. So just he not given the length of LA. Okay. So again with this data we have to construct the quadrilateral now. So first okay, we will do same as is like this only. So first we will leave the line segment LA as it is. We will start with the AM. So measuring my point here. So what is the length given? Length L to M. L to M. The measure is how much? 5 centimeters. Drawing a line segment. Or else you can take compass. You will get a 5 centimeters here. So this is what? A M as 5 centimeters. Okay. Then what is given? Angle M is given as how much? 90 degrees. Means it given right angle. 90 degrees. So with the help of compass we will construct a 90 degrees here. Okay. So 90 degrees, take a center M here, draw a arc. To construct a 90 degrees first we have to take 60 degrees, then double 60 will get 120. So between 60 and 120 90 degrees will lies. Now measuring 60 as the center, taking 60 as the center, drawing a arc. Now taking 120 as a center, cutting that arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point. So this angle is known as 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. We got 90 degrees here. Clear? And then M to P measure is given as what? 5 centimeters. Again measuring 5 centimeters radius, 5 centimeters here considering, and taking center nothing but so this is a ray, right? L2 M2 suppose X, MX is a ray, nothing but angle AMX is equals to 90 degrees. Now given length M2P, M2P is how much here? 5 centimeters. Taking center as M, I am cutting this ray. So we got the intersecting point. This one is what? P. And this distance, nothing but this radius is given as 5 centimeters. Right? Then what is given? Now we had what we had to do? We had to construct how much here? 60 degrees. Angle P how much? 60 degrees. Again measure taking center as P. Draw the arc. Okay, with this intersecting point consider and cut that arc. We got the intersecting point. Yes, we got the intersecting point, right? So what is the measure of this one is 60 degrees. So drawing a ray. So this is what? 60 degrees. Now what is the nothing but take this is a ray, Py is a ray, and P to L what is the length given? 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters already is right. 5 centimeters. Take P as a center. Cut that arc. Cut that ray. You got how much here? 5 centimeters. So to complete this construction, simply, so this is what? L. So PL, how much is there? 5 centimeters. To complete this construction, simply join from L to A. So we got the required quadrilateral LAMP lamp. Okay. Otherwise, you can consider first PM length here. You will get the same quadrilateral. But as per the dimensions, I took here. Okay. So first, what we done here? We took the line segment AM first here. First, we done a rough sketch. Then we took a AM as a 5 centimeters. Then we constructed 90 degrees here. So we drawn a arc as MX and given MP as a length of 5 centimeters. So considering MP as the radius, cutting this tray, we got 5 centimeters here. To given as what? Angle P is 60 degrees. Again considering a arc and cutting the arc, we got directly 60 degrees. We are extending as the PY is a ray. And given PL is length is what? 5 centimeters. Considering 5 centimeters, P as a center, I am cutting that ray. We got as the intersecting point L, and this is 5 centimeters. To complete this construction, we are joining from L to A. So no need to measure this one because already we completed our given dimensions. So with this our required quadrilateral LAMP is completed. Okay. Then next one, C. The last one is about construct trapezium. Construct trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to CD and AB has 8 centimeters, BC 6 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, and angle B is equals to 60 degrees. So now we have to construct a trapezium. You know, right? Trapezium. So one pair of opposites are parallel to each other. Nothing but here given AB is parallel to CD. So first we will draw a trapezium here. AB is how much? 8 centimeters. Then B to C. B to C how much given? B to C is 6 centimeters and angle B is given as 60 degrees. Right? This is what? C. And C to D is given as how much? C to D is 4 centimeters. Then simply join A to D. So ABCD is the required trapezium. So if you observe here clearly, we got here 3 angles. We got but only one angle. 3 sides we got, but here we given only one angle. So we had to find another angle compulsory, right? So how will you find other angle? We know that trapezium he given this AB is parallel to BC. Given AB is parallel to BC. Okay, so and what is given, angle B is equals to how much, given as 60 degrees. Now we have to find what angle C is how much. Okay, if you know angle C, then only we can complete this construction. Otherwise, we cannot complete this one. So how will you find the angle C? So we know that a transversal line, suppose it's a transversal line. What you can say about these two angles? These two are what? Interior angles. These two are what? Interior angles of same side of the transversal line. Yes, these two are also what we can say, this what? Interior angles of the transversal line which having same side. So we know that angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees, because sum of interior angles of a transversal line is equals to 180 degrees. So but we know here angle B how much is there here given, 60 degrees, plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Then angle C is equals to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Then angle C is equals to 120 degrees. So this measure is how much now? 120 degrees. Okay, so with this, if you know this one, then only we can complete our construction. Otherwise, we cannot complete this total construction. Okay, this is about a rough sketch. Now we'll complete this total construction now. Now taking up here base first. Base, what is there here? AB. AB is given as how much here? 8 centimeters. AB is equals to 8 centimeters. So this one is completed. Next, what is it? Angle B is given as 60 degrees. Angle B is 60 degrees. Taking compass, taking B as center, draw a arc. So with this intersecting point, without changing radius, taking this one as a center, this intersecting point as a center, cut that arc at once. So this is what? 60 degrees. Just extend this one. So this is known as how much? This is 60 degrees. Nothing but angle B also completed. So BX is a ray. Nothing but angle ABX is equals to here 60 degrees. Now, and what is given? BC. Length of BC is given as how much here? 6 centimeters. Now, considering 6 centimeters radius, measuring 6 centimeters radius, BC, nothing but taking B as a center, cutting this arc. Sorry, cutting this ray. BX is ray, right? So we got an intersecting point, naming as C, and this one is how much? This is 6 centimeters. Completed. Right? And now, what is given? These two complete, right? Now, with about transversal line rule, we know that sum of interior angles of angle C is how much we measure here? 120 degrees, right? We know that the sum of interior angles of a transversal line is equals to 180. With that, we got angle C is equals to 120 degrees. So now we have to construct angle C as 120 degrees. So taking a C as center, drawing a arc. Now this intersecting point, take as a center, cut the previous arc once. This is 60. Again, if you cut means you will get here 120 degrees. 60 plus 60 is what? 120. With this now, I'm joining I'm extending this ray C to the intersecting point. So this is what? Y. Take a CY is a ray. And last he given C to D. C to D. This length given as how much here? 4 centimeters. Now measure 4 centimeters radius. Take C as a center and cut that ray. CY is a ray, right? Cut that one. So now this length is what? 4 centimeter. This intersecting point is what here? D. Now just simply join, to complete this construction, simply join D to A. and here no need to mention this side because required measurements is completed. Okay, once again we'll see the construction here. So first we drawn a rough sketch here, then we took length line segment AB as 8 centimeters, then we constructed as per given angle B is 60 degrees, and this is what 120, right? So to know that how to get this 120 means by transversal line rule. So we know that the sum of interior angles of a transversal line is equals to 180. 180 minus 60 is equals to 120 degrees. With the center C, we constructed how much here? 120 degrees, and we drawn a ray as CY. And given CD length is what? 4 centimeters. With length of 4 centimeters, taking CI as center, I am cutting that ray. We got the intersecting point, and we are naming as that one is D. Then simply joining from A to D. Then we got the required trapezium ABCD. So this is trapezium ABCD. So with that 4 sums of that. Okay. So this we got the 4 sums completed. Okay. I hope you got it. If any doubt, just comment in comment section. I will try to explain that one. Okay. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.